Hey, if your iPhone is flashing Apple logo and it's not turning on, this is a video for you. I will show you how you can fix it if it's just keep flashing Apple logo and it's not doing anything. So all you need is a computer. You can have, if you have a MacBook, you can use that. If not, then you can use it on a Windows computer as well. On the Windows, you have to download the iTunes, and then you should be able to use that. So if you have a MacBook, all you're gonna do is you will connect the phone okay, and it will bring on the, I'll show you right here. So it will take you right here where it says iTunes Restore, and then what you're gonna do is you will click on Restore and Restore and Update, and then you hit Next and then Agree. So what it will do, it will show you right there that it's downloading the iPhone software. 10 minutes remaining. Once it will do it, it will automatically do the recovery mode, and then that should actually fixes the problem. And if it don't fixes that issue, then it might be the battery issue, or it might be something else is going on. But normally in most of the scenarios, because this customer said that the phone was working fine and it just started like this morning, it just started flashing Apple logo and won't do nothing. So this is how you actually fix that if it's actually stuck on the Apple logo. And also you can fix this if you forgot your password or the PIN and you don't remember it. You tried many times, and if you don't do it, then this is a way you're gonna reset it. But yeah, so I thought I make a quick video about it. So I really hopeful that you guys actually learned something from this video, and if you did, you can like this video, you can comment, or you can also subscribe to our channel so it actually reaches to more people. All right, I will see you in the next video with another topic. Bye for now.